The amazing Hover-Air X1 has just got better. Introducing the Hover-Air X1 Pro. Does this new drone deserve the Pro badge? Let's take a look. A simple one button press to select your function, set the flight parameters, press confirm, and you're ready to fly.
Hover, zoom out, follow, orbit, bird eye, dolly track.
And to change the different heights and distances, press the right or left of the joystick, press and hold and make your adjustments, and then press the center button to confirm. Now the hover mode is one of my favorites. It just stays static and follows you as you move. It's like a tripod in the sky. So let's just go into the hover mode. Here we go.
Hover.
So now it's tracking me, and as I move around, the drone will follow me. And if I walk away out of shot, the drone won't go anywhere, it will just stay in the same position. So this is great for a walking, talking shot. And as soon as I want to pull it down, I just put my hand underneath it, job done. So as you can see there, it hovered to the parameters I set into the unit. Now if I wanted to change the parameters to further or higher up, it'll do that, and remember it, you can get some brilliant shots just by slightly adjusting those parameters. Here we go, zoom out. A simple press of the button, 20 feet, zoom out. First of all, the drone will recognise your face, and then it'll carry on the procedure. There it goes, zooming out. So the parameters are set for 20 feet, medium height. And once it's done, it comes back, lands in my hand. Perfect.
Middle, follow.
So when you're ready to move away from the standalone settings, you can then pair up your Hover-Air X1 Pro to the Hover-Air Flight app, which is really easy to understand, and there you can control the drone, set up different parameters, and also change some camera settings. And to keep the footage all buttery smooth, the Hover-Air X1 Pro has a 2-axis gimbal. Does this Hover-Air X1 Pro use AI? Yes, it does use a certain form of AI. Now this drone doesn't use GPS, it uses optical flow sensing. It all works through the camera. But it's always best to use contrasting clothes to your environment. For example, if you're wearing green and you're in a field, the drone may not pick up your silhouette or your body form properly in order to carry out the necessary procedures such as tracking. So what Hover Air have done now, they've given us a beacon. Now this beacon is detected by the drone, so if you're wearing it about your person or you've got it on the bike, the drone will track to the beacon and not the body. As you can see there, the beacon has got its own monitor, so you can control the drone, you can land the drone, and you can also see what the drone's seeing. Plus, there's an onboard microphone, so you can record your video and the AI will take out the noise from the drone. What a fantastic idea. Now that was the beacon, but there's several other angles to using this beacon. Here is the controller module, which just simply snaps into the beacon. Then you've got the beacon, a joystick, and on the back there you've got the movement controller. So in theory you should be able to fly your drone left, right, backwards, forwards. Here we go then, we're connected up to the drone, we're in hover still. Let's take off.
Hover.
So if I hold down this motion control at the back, I should be able to control the drone. That's backwards, that's forwards, that's up, that's down, and that's rotating. Turn it right, turn it left. Well, you've got to admit that was quite impressive, wasn't it? What did you guys think to it? Why not post in the comments below? And I've got a bit of a confession to make, because up until just then, I've never used this module before. I've not even read the manual. So if I can do it, you can do it. Just snap on the extra module and you've got full functionality of the joysticks plus a screen. This modular platform just gets better. You can further enhance your experience by connecting your smartphone for added functionality. But we can cover all this gadgetry in a future video. You can buy your Hover Air X1 Pro or Hover Air X1 Pro Max in different bundles. This particular bundle is called the Cycling Combo, and it comes with the beacon and the modules. So what do I think to this new Hover Air X1 Pro? Well, for me, it's certainly the best flying camera drone I've used so far, based on simplicity, camera quality, build quality. And for me as a solo content creator, I can get those shots perhaps I wouldn't have got before. It's handy because it folds down, fits in your pocket, you don't even know it's there. Switch it on, press the button, and you're flying, filming straight away. Well, you can't ask for more than that, can you? If you go onto YouTube and search for 00 Robotics, and you'll find their YouTube channel, they've got some fantastic videos explaining all about the Pro and the Pro Max in detail. I highly recommend you jump onto that channel and do a little bit more delving. And if this video's brought you any entertainment or value, I'll put another video I think you might like up in the top corner. That's it, bye for now.